Hi FK gang, welcome back to Fergie's Kitchen. Thank you guys for tuning in to my channel today. There's a lot of channels you could have tuned into, but you chose Fergie's Kitchen. Thank you. Thank you to all my subscribers. Today I'm gonna take it to Ireland. So I'm gonna make an Irish apple cake for you guys. Here's my ingredients that I'm working with today. I'll be working with 4 apples, 2 eggs, with some clove and salt, sugar, milk, butter, and some self-rise flour. Please remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe to Fergie's Kitchen. And I'll see you when we get the ball rolling. So guys, I'm gonna put 2 cups of flour, just a pinch of salt, and a pinch of clove. So guys, after I peel and cored my apples, now I'm thinly slicing them. So guys, with 4.5 ounces butter, I'm gonna crumble it in the flour until it feels like crumbled breadcrumbs. So guys, I put it in a deeper bowl because that one wasn't making it for you guys to see very well. Now I'm gonna add a 1/2 cup of sugar, and I'm gonna put my 2 eggs that are beaten and mix it in together. And guys, with this, the measurement of the milk is just for enough to bring this into a doughy form. So first I'm gonna pour in a 1/2 cup. You see how it looks like a dough? Now, this is an 8-inch pan. Gonna butter my can. So now guys, with my oven set at 375, I'm gonna put my my apple cake in for 30 to 40 minutes. And I'll see you guys when I'm finished. Please remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe to Fergie's Kitchen. So hey my FK gang, I took you all the way to Ireland and back. So I'm here to present, end of another segment, my Irish apple cake. I hope you guys enjoy. Gotta take you to Ireland, guys. Yummy, yum. And as you know, Fergie feed the heart, the mind, and the soul. So today's scripture is coming from Hebrews 6, verse 19. We have this hope as an anchor for the soul, firm and secure. Yes, we do. It's firm and secure. And from Fergie's Kitchen to you guys today, guys, it's okay to make a mistake, to have a bad day, to be less than perfect, to do what's best for you. And guys, it's really okay to be yourself. Thank you guys for tuning in today. Please remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe to Fergie's Kitchen. Fergie love you guys. Enjoy. Mwah. Bye-bye.